Hi guys, it's William from AllTechTrail. Today I'm going to show you the power supply I'm going to use for my new build. It is the Corsair RM650. I've only used Corsair power supply just because it's been proven over and over again in all my builds that it just works. Okay. Now I'll take you through it. This is the new series that's released this year, so it's the ultra quiet power supply. 650 watt. It's optimized for silence, fully modular with flat black cables, gold level efficiency. Oh, I should say the gold flat cables will work well for tight spaces. And as well as, okay, what else do we have? Now the 0 RPM mode, which is available in Corsair, and I believe another manufacturer. What is it? I can't remember. But anyway, like 0 RPM mode, it's up to 40%. Basically system load until the fan kicks in. Okay, so literally you won't hear a single thing, and that's just marvelous. Okay, it's gonna make your system quieter, definitely, but in essence it's running very efficiently. So this is gold rating, gold 80 plus gold, so it is very efficient. And again, I've done it in the past, but you do have to buy the power supply, the right rating, for your system. You're not going to use 1200 watt power supply for a system that's only chewing maybe 600 watts with everything. Fully loaded to the max, it's only chewing 600. So you're wasting literally maybe around 400 watts. And depending where you live, obviously it's gonna cost you a lot of money. It may be a few dollars here and there, but if you live maybe somewhere in Europe, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. So it's not only going to cost you an arm and a leg, maybe your big toe as well. But anyway, so there's the cables comes with one ATX 24 pin, one ATX 8 pin, 4 PCI Express, 4 PCI Express 6 pin plus 2, and then 8 SATA cables, 7 4 pins or 7 Molex, and then 2 floppy drive adapters. I'm not sure why, and then Corsair link. But anyway, well, you could use that for your fan, but I'm not sure if anyone want to use it straight from the power supply. So I'm just gonna use it here. I'm just gonna use the one with the motherboard, so at least it's all linked up. And if it's PWM, perfect. I can control it via the BIOS or whatever else. But the less cables generally coming out of your power supply going into elsewhere in your case, the better it's gonna look. So let's open this up. Now, one of the reasons, again, why I chose this model is because of the ultra quiet power supply feature thing. The 40% load, 0 RPM on the fan. That's a really good thing to have. Now, and the pricing point for this power supply, it's also very good. It's not that cheap. If you compare it with bronze power supply or the cheaper units out there, but again, you really want to buy the best power supply that you can get, and it's suitable for your system. Okay, so here it is, power cable. You get the solution guide from Corsair. It's got every product imaginable from Corsair: speakers, memories, SSDs, cases. Anyway, it's nice to have. Warranty. How long does this warranty? I think 5 years. Is it 5 years? Anyway, oh, I should also mention this to you that, oh, can you see it? Okay. Now they've got different ratings here. RM is possibly a step below than the HX model, which is again a step below the AX, AXI. And then, you know, you've got the modular here, or digital power supply for your Haswell. But you know, well, it shouldn't matter whether you can use this for your Haswell or not. But in terms of grading, in terms of obtaining the most maximum efficiency, I believe you need to use the digital model for your Haswell. But I could be wrong. But anyway, you've got a couple of packaging here. What is it? Recycled cardboard. Cable ties. Got like thousands of those, so that's good. Some silica gels. Okay. Now this really feels like, you know, it's a really bulk model. I mean, other Corsair power supply units, especially the AXIs, the one that I've done an unboxing before, check it out over the link right here. But you know, it comes with a nice you know, packaging, even not this kind of plastic, but you know, it's not this right here feels very cheap. But you get what you pay for, and I'd rather get a really good quality power supply than, you know, a really awesome braided cables and then a shit power supply. But anyway, these are all the cables. It's flat, as I mentioned before, so that's gonna work wonders for your cable management, you know, skills for your system. So that goes right back. Okay, so nothing here. Yeah, I mean, on the AX 1200i and what is it, 860i, you know, it comes with a velvety pouch. Therefore, in comparison, there's a great difference. But it's not, you know, AXIs are very expensive in comparison to the RMs. But I don't have any doubt that this will perform as well for my purpose. So these are it. You know, you can either mount it this way or that way. It doesn't really matter. Your fan outside, on the bottom, or in the case. I mean, I do suggest if you're gonna lie your case on the carpet, then it's better for you to mount the fan inside the case, not, you know, not on the bottom, because how it works is it's gonna grab any air through the fan, and then it comes out on the back, not the other way around. Okay, so it really doesn't matter whether you have the fan inside the case, like literally inside the case, not on the bottom. So which is a great misconception these days, but hopefully you do know that, you know, which way the air flows through if you're looking at a fan. So it's fully modular. You know, you got the peripherals and SATA, 24-pin ATX, PCI Express, and the 4-pin CPU. So there it is. I mean, RM650 yellow. I do wish that it comes in red, but obviously, you know, whatever. Corsair has, you know, its own coloring schemes, but it really doesn't matter for me. You know, again, my case is going to be closed, So yeah, I might put the fan inside, just because if I put it outside or put it on the bottom, I'm gonna see this, but it really doesn't matter anyway. So that's it from me, guys, on this video. I hope you did like the video on the Corsair memory. If you do like it, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Over the next few days, I will bring you some more videos, or new videos actually, just regarding my new build, and a few other things as well. Hopefully I will find the time. And also, if you haven't already done so, please follow me on Twitter and like me on Facebook. As I am starting out, it will definitely help for any interactions that you could have, any feedbacks that you may have. Please click down on the comments below, or better yet, just tweet on Twitter, because there's still some problems with Google and Google Plus and so on and so forth. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.